Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Well, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out at venturesurplus.com. They have a large variety of items. Again, venturesurplus.com. So let's get to it. Let's get you out of the way. Thank you. And we got a box here. Let's see. I don't have any notes today, so hopefully we have a manifest in here. Looks like it's been retaped. Hopefully there's no issues. Maybe they reused a box or something. We shall see. Carefully open it with pressure. Okay. So, let's see. This part looks fine. Got some paper on top. We can use that for drawing or possibly sketching some targets. And so, looks like we got manifest. They do theirs on a sticker. And here we go. Here's the actual sticker. Venture Surplus. Thank you. The sticker collection. And let's see. Let's actually get this box out of the way. Alright. So, what do we got here? Oh, thank you, Jade. Thanks, Jade. Alright, there's actually a two sticker pager here. So, let's see if we can line these up by item number. I'm going to help here. Oh yeah, look at that. Yes. So yeah, they have their own SKU system, which will help me match it up to the manifest. So this is a cold weather field jacket liner, OD green, used large. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a quick look at it. Pretty good shape. Okay, so we got buttons, 1, 2. Yeah, that's how it goes. 3 buttons. 2 at the top, space here so you can reach in. And that. Got your typical straps at the cuffs. Both sides that you can button to your actual jacket. And here's our tag. I don't know if you guys can see that. Large. Height over 63 inches. Chest men's 41 to 45. We got a stock number, NATO number, liner cold weather coat. Do believe this can fit inside an M65. We do have button holes that go all the way around. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry, totally bumped our stand here, my makeshift stand. And we have vented pits. Typical, quilting pattern. If you look at the back, no issues. Pretty good shape. Alright, next item is this one. Cold weather field jacket liner, military foliage green, new large. Let's compare with how a new looks compared to a used. Yeah. A little bit more sheen to the color. Nice foliage green. Can match that. Oh, it's still got a price tag on it. Alright, yeah, this definitely feels new. Oh, look at the label. Very crisp. Large. Height over 63. Same chest, men's 41, 45. Stock number, NATO number. Liner cold weather coat. American Apparel. This one was from the first one we went through, Unicor, Miami. So, I'll read this label. Bended armpits. And button wise, same style, 1-2 with the one at the bottom, and then the reach through area. And button points to attach to, say, an M65. Top, nice. Alright, so we got 2 liners so far, and a couple of storage bags. And then we get to some smaller items here. Let's see. Okay, this actually I almost forgot about because it went off to the side. Let's get this real quick. 1849, not sure what that lines up to, but that is the, oh, it's not the price. Okay, I don't know how I got this in here. Get it out. Let's see. Sweet. We got a USMC Desert MARPAT Boonie cap, new, 7 1/4. So I got this a little bit smaller, just so I can get it on the small side. Let's try. Oh, totally fits. So it runs a little big actually. Cover Field Desert Marine Corps. You got DAD number, A415 number, your composition made in the USA. So right here in the US. Very nice. I don't see a vendor name though, so possibly the codes can be decoded. Well, let's see right there. Here's the inside. Got the vents. Got your typical nylon expansion areas, and the chin strap with our leather little cinch point right there. Very nice. Alrighty, cool. Cool. Alright, continuing on. I've gotten a bunch of, let's see what we got here. No particular order. Infrared or IR United Kingdom flag patch, foliage green, new. Let's see, it's got the Velcro backing right there. Let's see how the infrared pattern is. Got right on the patch wall right now. Boop. And then we got this one. I'm actually going to give this to a buddy of mine for Christmas holiday season. Matched it up with a prior acquisition. So this one should be a IR Canadian flag patch, green and black, new. So I'll set that aside for mailing out. And then we also have these two. I got both left and right facing, so forward and reverse. Military IR flag Velcro patch. Reverse, here on the left side. New green and black. And then on this side is the forward facing new green and black. Very nice. So I got those. Take this right back off the wall again. Okay, so working backwards, we got our military IR flag patch forward and reverse. We had our reach Canadian IR Canadian flag patch, green and black, which is of course symmetrical based on Canadian flag. And then we have our symmetrical IR United Kingdom flag patch, foliage green, although they all appear to be foliage green. But with our lighting, it's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, I guess so. Working our way backwards again. USMC Desert MARPAT Boonie cap. And then we started off with 2 of the cold weather field jacket liners, military foliage green, new, and OD green, used. And again, these all came from Venture Surplus. So feel free to check them out. Again, venturesurplus.com. It's been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage, milsurp, and tool type items. We may also expand that as we come across other items. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and we also do curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.